Hey, it's Ryan Gillard here at Real Broker, your Calgary Realtor, and in this short video, I'll take you through a new townhouse listing in the neighborhood of Mission, one of my favorite neighborhoods in the entire city. Let's check it out. And I'll just start off with giving you a bit of information about the Mission neighborhood, an area that I used to live in, one of the best neighborhoods in all of Calgary. You've got easy access to both 4th Street and 17th Avenue with all the restaurants, bars, shops, and dining options. You've got easy access to 2 C-train stops, Earlton and 17th Avenue, walking distance. Also walking distance to Lindsay Park and the MNP Community Sports Center. Easy access to the Elbow River for running, tubing, swimming, dog walking, all sorts of different trails in that area. And it's also walkable to downtown. It might take you maybe 20 minutes to walk to downtown, but it is doable. And this condo itself, 141 24th Avenue Southwest, list price is $550,000. It has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, built in 2014. The taxes last year were $2,789. Again, it's 1,201 square feet. 1,201 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 ensuite bathrooms. And the condo fee is about $694 per month, and that includes common area maintenance, professional management, reserve fund contributions, snow removal, and trash. So you will have to pay for your utilities, and there's also a secured underground titled parking stall with a storage locker. Now, an interesting thing about this condo, if you look in the kitchen, it has 2 pantries. What they did is they actually took out a half bathroom next to the kitchen and put a pantry in there. But in the future, you could put in the half bathroom again if you'd like. And if you have any questions about this property or any others, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. I'd love to help you out.